Have you ever been to Stonehenge in England? I haven't had a chance to do that yet, but I would love to at some point, especially once these travel restrictions get lifted, but so be it. Stonehenge is a really cool place, and it's made up with a bunch of the things that we're going to use to design the logo for today. You're watching Fast Logo Friday. This is episode number 50. Every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. My name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder, and we work with the spirits industry to design brands and strategies and all such other things to help support those efforts. If you need help in that world, give me a shout. You can find me at squarethunder.com. Our random weird word today is Trilith, Trilith. It comes from two Greek words, tri, meaning three, and lithos, meaning stones. And so a trilith is three stones normally set up, just like what we see in Stonehenge, where two stones are set on end and another across the top of them. Today we're going to use the word trilith to design a logo and some packaging for some maple cream liqueur. I think I know roughly what the logo is going to look like. Probably going to play around with a few different variations of that typical shape. But as far as the packaging, don't know yet. We'll see what we get when we get there. I'm going to start by sketching out some rough ideas, then we'll move into Illustrator, refine one of those ideas a little bit further, and then put together some mock-ups so we can see what it would look like. Let's get started and see what we can come up with. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. This has been episode number 50, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. If you like this kind of stuff, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. That means a lot. If you have comments, we've got lots of methods you can submit your comments and feedback. I'd love to interact with you. That's always lots of fun. If you like this, great. If you didn't, send it to somebody that you don't like. That'll be fun too. YouTube has a few recommendations that I think you might like to see as well. So stick around and watch one of those other videos. I think you'll like it too. Thanks. We'll see you next week. Stay awesome.